Google Compute Engine vs Google App Engine. Presented by ZeroToProTraining.com. In this video, we will talk about the difference between Google Compute Engine and Google App Engine. Google Compute Engine is an Infrastructure as a Service, or IaaS, platform. It is Google's answer to Amazon Web Services, or AWS. Google Compute Engine lets enterprises provision virtual servers and persistent storage. Practically any software could be run on provisioned resources. In other words, the software would run in Google's data center. If you want virtual machines to run your software, then Google Compute Engine is the right choice. You can get virtual machines with Ubuntu or CentOS operating systems. You can request 1 to 8 virtual cores, depending on your requirements. You also get persistent disks and access to Google Cloud Storage for object-based storage needs. You can also control the network. For example, you can use static or dynamic addresses. You can configure firewall as well. Google App Engine, on the other hand, is a Platform as a Service, or PaaS. It lets you build and run applications on Google's infrastructure. App Engine applications are easy to build, maintain, and scale. As the traffic and data storage needs change, the applications scale automatically. With App Engine, you don't have to maintain any servers. You simply upload the application and run it. Google App Engine allows users to take advantage of Google's compute engine and storage infrastructure via applications. Currently, the Google App Engine supports PHP, Java, Python, and Go. It performs automatic scaling and load balancing. It provides authentication using Google accounts. It provides task queues and schedulers for background processing. If you have a web-based or compute-intensive application, then Google App Engine is the choice for you.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please visit ZeroToProTraining.com.